Hey everyone, and welcome back to All World Travel Channel. If you're dreaming of escaping the winter chill, Costa Rica in January might just be your perfect getaway. I lived there for many years and I cannot say enough about this country. I got a lot of videos on it. Picture this: lush rainforest, breathtaking beaches, exotic wildlife. Sounds like paradise, right? Well, it is. And today we're diving into what makes Costa Rica in January a unique and unforgettable experience. Let's kick some things off with some facts about Costa Rica. Did you know that Costa Rica is home to 5% of the world's biodiversity? That's right. This tiny country packs a huge punch when it comes to nature. Now let's break down what you can expect in the different regions come January. And trust me, the weather here has more mood swings than a soap opera. First stop, Guanacaste and the Nicoya Peninsula. By January, the rain has taken a vacation, leaving behind sunlit days and warm, sultry nights. But heads up, those green mountains, they start looking a bit like your favorite desert landscape. Think yellow and brown hues. Daytime temps hit around 95 degrees, which is 35 Celsius, and at night a cozy 78 Fahrenheit, which is 26 Celsius. Perfect beach weather if you ask me. And if beaches are your thing, you must check out Playa Mina. Just look at this place, it's beautiful. But remember, some high elevation areas like Tilarán might still surprise you with a little bit of rain. So maybe pack that cute rain jacket just in case. Next, we'll head to the Central Valley, my old home of outside of San Jose, Alajuela, Heredia, Cartago, Santa Ana, Escazú. They're all shining in January. Clear, sunny days, cool, breezy nights, and temperatures around 80 degrees during the day and 65 Fahrenheit at night. Ideal for exploring the city or hiking through those high mountains without breaking too much of a sweat. Now let's talk about La Fortuna, one of my favorite places. Nestled in the northern lowlands, it's a tropical rainforest dream. I actually got married here and it was over the moon. Expect some random rain showers, Mother Nature's way of keeping you on your toes. Daytime temps are comfy 85 degrees and at night a pleasant 72. That's 29 and 22 in Celsius. Plus humidity hovers over 60%, so bring that anti-frizz hair serum, folks. Now let's not sleep on Jaco and Manuel Antonio. The surfers, this is for you. Jaco and Manuel Antonio are calling your name. Manuel Antonio is not just for surfers, but also home to one of the most beautiful national parks in Costa Rica. Between catching waves and spotting sloths, you are in for a treat. Further down south, the Costa Ballena and Osa Peninsula offer tropical rainforest adventures with a chance of rain even in January. Temperatures are at a toasty 90 Fahrenheit, which is 32 Celsius during the day, and 80 Fahrenheit, 27 Celsius at night. And the humidity? Yeah, it's around 60%, so stay hydrated and embrace that dewy look. The Caribbean coast is a different vibe altogether. Places like Puerto Viejo, del Talamanca, Limon, and Tortuguero might see some heavy rain or even storms, but don't let that deter you. Daytime temps are around 90 degrees Fahrenheit and night drops to the low 70s, which is perfect for a cozy evening after a day of exploring. Now let's talk about the main thing on everyone's mind: money. January is peak tourist season, so prices can be a bit high. Hotel rooms range from $300 a night in sunny Guanacaste to around $75 in the Central Valley. Food? Well, an upscale dinner for two in Guanacaste could set you back $80, but in La Fortuna, a hearty meal for two is about $30 depending where you go. So plan your budget wisely. Expect crowds. January is prime time for tourists. Guanacaste and the Nicoya Peninsula are bustling, but places like the Central Valley and La Fortuna offer a bit more peace and quiet. If you're heading to the Caribbean coast, you might even find it less crowded due to those occasional showers. Now let's discuss some of the activities you can do in January in Costa Rica. Here's a list of what you can get into. How about everything? There's a lot to do, you guys. Surfing in Guanacaste, hiking the trails in La Fortuna and the Central Valley, or go whitewater rafting on the Panguara and Savegre rivers. And don't forget a coffee tour, also a fun thing to do. January is the tail end of the coffee harvest season, so it's the perfect time to learn and taste. There's also some wildlife opportunities and festivals come January. Wildlife lovers, January is your month. From sea turtles nestling on the Pacific coast to over 900 bird species in Monteverde and Serapiqui, there's so much to see. And don't miss the local festivals. I'm telling you, Fiesta de Palmares and the Santa Cruz festivals, they're cultural experiences you will not forget. I've been to both, and both of them, well, I can say I had a lot of imperials and really enjoyed myself. I'll just leave it at that. Lastly, let's talk about packing. Here's your checklist: rain gear, beach wear, sun protection, hiking boots, festival clothing if that's your thing, binoculars for bird watching if that's your thing, and a light jacket for those cooler Central Valley nights if you're in the valley. Pack smart, travel happy. So there you have it. Costa Rica in January is a blend of sun, fun, and adventure. Whether you're hitting the surf, exploring the rainforest, or enjoying local culture, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips, especially involving Costa Rica. Pura vida.